How to make minimalistic art on Photoshop. First, what you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to get the pen tool, make a new layer by tapping this button here, and then rename it hair. You want to zoom in a lot by either tapping Control plus or by tapping View and by tapping Zoom in. To fit on screen, you tap Control 0 or Fit on Screen. Then you start and you tap it around and try and make it as so it fits as much as possible. I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch through this. Yes. If you do make a mistake though, Control Z and it will make the mistake go away. But if that mistake was a mistake, I know, confusing, tap Control Z again and it'll go back up there. And if you need it to curve, then you can either zoom in a lot and make it really close, or you can pull and drag, and then it will make it curves like this. Now when you are done, you tap Selection, then tap Enter. And everything will go like that. And make sure you're on the hair layer. You then use the eyedropper tool and pick the color that's most used. I'm going to pick this black. Then you use the paintbrush, make it big if you want, opacity at 100. And then just color it all in. Now you can see how I missed some down the bottom here. And also at the top here. Just make sure you zoom in enough and then you can do it again on the same layer. Just use the pen tool again and do the same steps as before. Once again, I shall speed it up. Once again, do that, then fill it in. Then if you think it's done, make the layer go away, and then if you are missing anything, then you should see it. See how I'm missing this part here? It's okay if you go over stuff, because you can change the layer later. That's all for today. Oh yeah, the character is Homura Akemi from Madoka Magica. And if you do it to another character, then make sure that it's a PNG, so it has a clear background with these dots in the back, so you don't also have to erase the background. Thank you, and I'll probably do a part 2 sometime next week or tomorrow, whenever I feel like it, pretty much.